It's nice.
And yeah, you start here again. I know all your stuff.
That shit is $65.
Nice.
You have other
Okay.
color? See the other color.
Oh yeah.
The boots.
Okay.
With the exception of these boots run $120. These ones, these and this, and these.
Okay.
These ones, run 65, 65, 65.
Okay.
And this one is $95.
So, so these are the fashions that I bought a lot by men in different stores,
Yes.
like Clothing Broker and stuff.
No, Clothing Broker don't carry these.
Oh, okay.
What we carry, Clothing Broker don't carry.
Okay.
We try to carry things that the other stores